cameraman here, folks. We got us a 12 SRT8. Ladies and gentlemen, what's it gonna do? We'll see. Not bad. Can't complain.
Get over here!
Stuntman,
Get over here!
What do you think of this said unit?
You think that I need the ground to be wet to light them up? I got a 6.4 HEMI here with 68,000 miles. Now get out of my way!
Be careful. Ladies and gentlemen, you just never know what the great stuntman is going to pull out of his hat at any particular moment in time. Is she traction controlling on him? I gotta ask him what the problem is. What's going on?
I need help! I need help from the neutral droppers!
All right.
Get over here! You think I'm lying? It's not a 6.4.
I don't think they think you're lying. Oh my, folks.
Smells like rats inside.
Where'd you get this said unit?
Get over here!
Are you losing? Are you losing like, is it going into traction control?
I have the traction control up, but it says some power, something comes in. Cops right here to the right. Take a look, everybody. Say hi to the boys in blue. Hi, boys in blue. Anyway, get over here. SRT8.
Nice. Little pigeon shit. Nothing wrong with that.
Dual exhaust.
It's got the duals.
The guy that owned this car, I think, won a curb rimming contest.
This guy was a rimmer, folks.
This guy's worse than my daughter. Get over here. My daughter,
you had to say that
like
now?
What? I get her a fancy car. Yeah, she'll watch the videos, Talia. Whatever your name is. Get over here.
Wow, this guy knows how to use.
On this side.
He knows how to use duct tape. This
guy.
This
is a 12 with 68,000 miles. This is called Bronx Bodywork.
Sure.
Get over here. Get over here. I almost lost my voice. Get over here.
Josephine, you almost sounded like
Josephine. Get over here, Josephine. How many times am I going to walk around the car and you're going to follow me like a jackwagon?
Listen to me. I got my truck running in the gas station.
I don't give a shit. I got to make something happen.
You better make something happen. It's your ass. Hold on. Wait just a second, huh?
Oh, come here. You know what it says? It says FC. Let me show this to the neutral droppers.
Don't touch anything, man.
Someone want to tell me what that means? FCW off. And by the way, 68,000 miles. Someone put an ass whipping on this thing. I'll tell you right now.
All right, now hold on a minute. Let me make sure we're still recording. That's all we need is him screwing this up. You're just warming up the tires. No law against warming up tires. Damn it.
I can't see you.
Drive up a little bit, you dope. If I don't get rubber lung, nobody's getting rubber lung. Nice.
Listen. Get over here. This thing doesn't need wetness. I can't breathe. Oh, you're pulling back because you can't breathe? I'm in the midst of this. Hold on, she's got a sunroof.
It's raining out. It's not a rain roof.
Got a sunroof.
God. All right, pull up so I can see my truck. That would suck. Better still be here. It's there. I see the headlights.
She's got a sunroof.
come here. Drive around the smoke. Wait, you got a truck in front of you. I know you can't see anything. Oh my God, smoke pouring out of his window.
Obviously not a neutral dropper. He's gonna honk and disturb the video. Well, today's tutorial and lesson is to let you know, no matter where you are, whatever kind of mood you're in, whatever the weather is, all 5 boroughs of New York City.
Nice.
You could do a burnout. Hold on.
There's nothing to see here, pal.
Whoa, traction's off. What? All right. Is it shifting?
All right, we're done with this one, Stuntman. Get out of the smoke.
Come. Apparently, you could do burnouts in a 6.4 Hemi when it's wet
beautiful.
out. Even when it's wet out.
That is gorgeous.
Doesn't that look like genie smoke? Everybody make a wish.
Everyone loves a genie.
Go back 2 or 3 videos, get the phone number, and send me some goddamn catalytic converters. There's people getting rich out there, and if you haven't called, it ain't you.
Look, it's smoking out. It's smoking out of the gas thing. Look at pizza toppings. We are almost out. Look at this guy. He enjoys the festivities. This thing on fire?
You guys looking at me funny. The car does good burnouts.
Does good. It does. This does good burnouts. Come on, man.
Does good burnouts. Smells like brakes a little bit. Maybe I got a caliper that's stuck.
You probably got the e-brake on. All right. Folks, I don't know what it's like in your town.
New York City, 445. If you're a little gangster and you're like, honey, I don't want it to ping, you put 477. If you got a drag race going on a Friday night, you put the 507 Super in it with a little mix of 118.
And if you're a big shot, you let him fill it up. You don't get out.
Yeah, you go, look, take my credit card and stick it up where the sun don't shine and start going up and down my butt crack like this, SRT rims, 20-inch. I don't roll on teenage rims, is what Fabulous said. And I say it too.
He's causing it. Come on, you're in a bad neighborhood. Ladies and gentlemen.
Gonna honk your horn at me?
I'm glad you enjoyed the Friday afternoon festivities.
Anyway.
You gotta be careful in what neighborhood you're in when you get wise with people.
Yes. A lot of people get shot. I think they call this the gunshot gas station if you look it up. A couple of people got shot.
We are out.